The Hampton District Attorney's Office is helping Springfield organizations in their mission to curb substance abuse in the city.
And that includes the Springfield Vietnamese Cultural Association. This morning, DA Anthony Gallooni and his office presented them with a $9,000 check to help prevent substance use and support recovery. The money comes from the DA's Drug Diversion and Education Fund and is part of a total of $45,000 worth of grants. Gallooni spoke today and explained what kind of programs this money goes towards.
The funding will be used for multilingual educational materials, interpretation services, workshops, equipment, and community outreach. Through these efforts, the association will provide accessible education about the risks of drug use, promote healthy lifestyles, and help strengthen families within Springfield's immigrant communities, particularly the Vietnamese American community.
Aside from the Cultural Association's $9,000, the rest of the $45,000 has already been divided amongst Bay State Health, the Michael J. Dias Foundation, and Power Forward.